Hello and welcome to part 2 of a simple Android push notification app. So today we'll be doing a test to just send a push notification from the Firebase console. And in the last video we generated an access token for our device. So we'll be using this access token to send a push notification into our device. So real quick, we'll go into cloud messaging. Then from there is where we can be able to access the test functionalities of our app. So as of now, we're going to send a message, just a simple one. So let's say Ben Selfie, and then he sent this push message, and then we'll go real quick and search Ben Salsi over there, just get a simple image for that push. We have image, and then we have me there. So just pick up the image address real quick. So copy image address that way, and then we'll go to there and then paste it there. So you can see a quick overview of how it looks like when on a mobile. So next we need to select the device that we're going to send this push to. So our app currently, as you can see, has a package name called com.bensalsi.app.macrazy.fire. Sorry for the typo. So that's what we're going to choose. So over here we select, let's see, the first one, and then after that we're going to deal with the next proceeding steps. So we come here into notification and then send our tests. So over here we are prompted to enter the device authentication token. So we go real quick over here and copy the token that we just generated, copy that, and then paste it over there. Add FCM registration, that one, then you add it there. So you'll realize they are similar to the one that I already tested. So because I really already tested this app, then click test. So once you click on test, you'll be able to see a notification from the other side that you guys won't be able to see. So it appears more or less like that one, like this. I'll find a way in which you guys can be able to see it very well. I sent another one also appeared. So always make sure you're using the target app correctly. So this one, you can use both of them, but we're using this for now. And then also make sure to have run at least the app once to make sure there's a token for the app, and then after that you can be able to send the push notification as usual, and you can test it that way. And so once you have that set up, you'll always want to make sure that the token is correctly set up and everything works well as intended. And then in there we will be using this pinot into on received message to kind of show into the foreground, because normally Firebase doesn't push a push notification into the foreground. So what we'll be doing is basically, if you want to show the notification into the foreground, you will paste your code over here, or you will work on your code over here, because it extends the Firebase messaging service. So basically work on the background, and it will bring it on the foreground normally when the user is still on the foreground. So all this, the pinot object has the capability of giving you the title from the object of pinot dot notification dot title. So this gives you the title. You can see the title, can give you the body, can give you any other thing that you need from the notification. So we're going into that right now. So let me just simulate what notification I received. So this is what is the message on the push, and this is what I saw. Let me just connect my device to that again. that you guys can be able to see very well. So I have my notification showing already, so let me just go into Logcat and then take a screenshot of what's in there. So as you can see, we have a smaller icon there to represent the app icon, since I haven't set any yet. So I'll swipe down so that you guys can see, and then I'll recapture again so that you can see the output. So there we go. See, I've been Salsi, he sent this push, and then you can go ahead and then say Ben Salsi recorded this video, and then we send again, same key, just making sure that we maintain the same functionality. And then so I'll swap it down again, and then I'll show it to you guys again. I'll recapture it again. So we're there. So Ben Salsi there, and then let's record the videos. Yeah, it's working pretty fine. So what we're gonna do next is to ensure we have our PHP script running to automate all these tasks, because you're going to do this on every device, and you're going to send all this stuff manually. So what we're gonna do is to have a PHP script. So I have a simple PHP script that is located on my XAMPP. As you can see, it's a simple script, so you don't have to worry. XAMPP, htdocs, and then push notification there. So it's a simple PHP. You can run this locally on your local host, but for me, I have a production server. So I'll go into it, into the public HTML, and then I'll create a new folder in there. I'm doing this because I've already tested this script and it's working. So go Android, call it Android push, yeah, battery. So there's a new folder I'm creating in there, and then inside there I'll upload this notification file that we already have there. So let's drag it there, battery. Yeah, we already have it there. So I'll open it up for you so that you guys can be able to see and sync with me together. Okay, so it's a simple PHP script containing close to 38 lines of code. So 38 lines of code, and so it contains a simple function to send a notification. So it sends to the person or the channel, and then the notification body. So to there, and then basically this is the URL we'll be sending the push to. And then we have the headers. Normally when you're making a HTTP request, you normally have the headers there. If you had an authentication key, we'll be passing it there also. I'll show you how you get this. And then over here we have the to. So the to, have put there an example of an access token. So this will send to that specific device and a push notification. And so also we have the title. We have the title for that notification. You can see an example there, new tournament. And then we also have the body containing the contents of the notification. And then we just execute the function, which is now to push, to send the notification to who, and then the notification content. So we start by getting the key. So how do we get the key? The authorization key. So you go to your console and then open up there, and then go to project settings. So in the project settings tab, you will see your tab, cloud messaging tab. So there is where you find the authorization key. It's here, mine is here. I'm gonna delete this, so don't use it in your projects, and it won't work either on your projects if you use it. So mine is here. So you just copy that and then paste it in your key. So for making things better, let me just create a new variable here. So my key equals to, and then that. Then I'll copy the whole of the entire key from there to there. Cut that. Then paste it there. Let's close that. And then so for this key, I'm gonna do this key key equals to, then dot, then my key, that way. And then also for the authorization key, the access token, we're just gonna copy this from here to here, and then you paste it in there. So once you're done, you can save your changes and then be able to access that by saying okay, here, okay, then Android push, and then slash notification dot php, that way. So once you send that, we receive another notification, so we can see that from a screenshot there. Yeah, have it there. Yeah.